Bob the Builder, we can fix it. I'm really psyched for this video that I have to share with you guys. But before I get straight into that, shout out to my OG subscribers and supporters, because if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be making this video today. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for more crazy weekly cars and tech content. And if you want to get in contact with me, you could follow me on Instagram right here, add me on Snapchat, and even email me. So this video is also sponsored by ECS Tuning, which you can buy some pretty cool aftermarket OEM and looks for Audi, BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, and even Volkswagen. So click the links in the description and you can save yourself a lot on shipping for factory OEM parts, but a lot cheaper than what you pay for the dealership at the dealership. So one good news is I'm finally working for Comcast. I'm making that big money. This is a great company, really massive. I had no idea how big it is compared to like Apple or Microsoft. Like they're almost at that level. Like I didn't know that, and like I'm really happy and I'm really psyched to work with them. Like it's a great opportunity, not something a lot of people at the age of 22 can say. And I'm gonna continue on with more about this car now. There's two things that's happening with this car right now. One thing for starters is I purchased this a while ago. Quattro. I'll explain the Quattro part in a second, but this is a new RS4 Silver Honeycomb Grille. You may not like the color, or silver or chrome, whatever you desire. I personally like it because black is too mainstream, and because my original one had a crack in it, somebody backed into it, I bought a new grille, and then my car died, and I sold the grille so I could buy myself another car. We all know how that ended out if you watch my old YouTube videos. And I bought this a long time ago, and it finally arrived from China, and this was back in December, and it's March, almost April. And what else? Praying for it. Okay, so basically the Quattro part, everybody knows I'm going to be converting the Quattro this year. That's a really big project of mine, and it's not going to just be Quattro, it's going to be taking out the front wheel drive, throwing that out in the trash, throwing out the CVT transmission in the trash, and installing a dual clutch automatic 7-speed transmission. I cannot wait for that. And it's gonna be Quattro. Oh my god, I can't imagine the horsepower I'm gonna be throwing once I put a new turbo in there, a new engine in there. I have a lot of plans, and it's a $20,000 project estimated, because there's gonna be two crazy things I most likely may be doing during this project, and I'll let that happen later down the road. There's no need to explain it since I haven't purchased anything. So apart from purchasing this, I did put a $200 deposit into a new hood. The reason for that is because this hood's like limited edition. It's a rare hood, and the company originally made it for an Audi A4. That being said, a group of Audi owners have got together on Instagram and Facebook and talked to the company to see if they can make us that really nice carbon fiber hood for Audi A4s. And the company said if we reach this amount of orders, this minimum amount of orders, then they will start charging people a deposit, and then they will mold a hood for your 2009 to 2016 Audi A4 or S4 or A5 or S5, and they will also do the 2015 all the way 2017 Audi A3. So those four vehicles, they will be making the carbon fiber hood. And if you want to get that hood as soon as possible, click this link right here. It's also in the description. And that being said, I did put the deposit, and I cannot wait for the hood to come in, because I'm getting big paychecks this month, like a lot. Tax returns, YouTube, ECS Tuning, new job, eBay, Forex, locally fixing phones and cars, which is my cars and tech business. That's unofficial. So I have all this money coming in right now, and I'm so psyched. And a lot more than things. So, whew, you guys may be wondering why I bought 2 physical body parts for my car. The reason is, I explained it to you, this is limited stock. There was 56 in December, now there's only 7 left. I didn't want to take the risk of not buy the part now and then wait for later and then figure out, oh no, I can't buy this part because they don't sell them anymore. Just like the integrated engineering dog bone mount for the B9 and B8 Audi A4s. I wanted to buy that, I had the gift card, and then a couple months later, boom, sold out. Unfortunately, I'm going to go through another company to buy that part, the dog bone, because I want that. And it fits DSG, CVT, all these other transmissions, just all A4s basically. And I don't want to take that risk with the hood, and it's a carbon fiber hood. You can get it either enforged, looking like this, which is also used in Lamborghinis like this, diffusers in the front lips, or you could have it the regular carbon fiber, which is what I'm going to do, and the glossy carbon fiber. And it's going to look really nice. You only find these hoods right now available for the A3. And they're going to make them for the A4. Limited quantity. I don't know how much production they're going to do, but I had to do it. This car's one of a kind. Has a lot of one of a kind parts. Like this front lip, which I still need to fix by adding the struts and doing a lot more of the things to this car. So yeah, there's that. And remember that I had the 2002 A4, if you watch my previous videos, OG subscribers, remember that? So, I removed the... Okay, that was a bad catch. I removed the license plate out of that car because I sold the car. Finally, I forgot to mention, I sold that piece of shit car. Oh, the headache that car gave me. I mean, I'm glad I bought the car because I learned a lot from the car, not only working with cars, but with life as well, and how to manage my money better. And it was a fun car, and I do not regret buying it. I do wish I'd done things differently, but that's in the past. It's time to move forward because I'm actually the hole that I dug myself into a couple months ago, I'm climbing that out. So like, I'm really happy. Like, debt is dropping dramatically. I'm getting more income, and my life is slowly like getting in place. I'm really happy about that. Like, yeah, so like, I really appreciate everybody, OG subscribers, new people, friends, family, for all this, just everything, from the goods and the bads. Anyways, I hope you guys learned a lot from this video and my previous videos. I'm glad I was able to help you out in some way or influence you to do something, this and that. Remember that I love Audi. I don't like the way how they made the B8 and the B8.5 Audi A4s. They could have done a lot better with them. But anyways, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more crazy weekly cars and tech content. Follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, email me. See you in the next video. Quattro, peace.